What's your problem, Bones? What is your problem? Alright. I got the gut camera off. Did you order the collector's edition, Bones? Actually, I'll leave that on. So you can see everything that's happening. What collector's edition? World of Warcraft! I don't know what collector's edition. I actually don't know. But I spent $100 on it. Yeah. We got Buddy right here, ready to go. I'm literally only going to be on for like half an hour. I opened one flap. Buddy is very, very excited. I was glad I did because I didn't know it was going to be sold out in like 10 seconds. Alright, here we go. Not spending $100 on cosmetics. All the things. Holy shit. What the f... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. We'll get some Blood Elf artwork here. Nice. And some random orc. Nice, dude. Alright, that's everything that's in here. There you go, buddy. That box is for you. What do we got here? Celebrate your part in the online community to change the course of gaming history. Limited edition collector set contains a trove of collectible items to commemorate World of Warcraft's 15th anniversary. Ooh. Alright, there was tape on here somewhere. Yeah, there we go. Be very careful with this. Very careful. That was close. That was close. Woo. Still hasn't hit the 15th anniversary though? I have no idea. I wasn't around back then. I was still floating around in my daddy's nutsack. 14 by the way. Haha. Alright. I'm going to see Joker later. I just wanted to do this on stream. Whoa, that's a nice cardboard flap actually. Ooh, wow. See that? Wow. I'm sure Buddy will destroy that later. What do we got? Whoa, there's the other side. That's some nice work right there. Hotel Trivago. I don't need that again. Let go! I like the friggin' alabaster mounts. It just looks like an unskinned mount. Buddy is very excited to find out what's in here. Buddy, I'm gonna need you to move, bro. You're getting in the way. You're all up in the way. There you go. Thank you. Oh my god, that camera fucking sucks. I mean, both of them suck, but that one really sucks. What's this? Is that the actual, like, is, what, the game discs in there or something? Like, what the fuck is this? Oh yeah, Warcraft Monopoly. Look at that artwork too. Oh, there's my night elf bitch. A blood elf? Night elf? Gotta be a night elf. They have to have Horde and Alliance. Oh, look at a dwarfy boy. Look at the dwarfy boy riding the little griffin. Don't worry, there's no color. Let's see what the hell's in this thing. That's right, I opened it. I opened it. Oh my god, he equipped it. Oh my god. Oh, I did it. I don't give a shit. Oh shit. Oh, this is the fine art prints. Buddy, relax, bro. Relax. Relax, buddy. It's okay. Get your nose off of it. Dude. Dude, relax. You just rip it out of here, right? Just as hard as you can. Bro, it's a fucking mouse pad. Dude, it's in here so you can't get it out without destroying it. There we go. Oh, dude. Buddy, back off. Fucking mouse pad. With a map of Azeroth on it. Now I'm getting Buddy's wet nose prints all over everything. A little Onyxia pin. Aww. Buddy, stop. It's an envelope. Is it my birthday? Play for free. Oh, it comes with game time. Oh no, it's just saying you can play these games. You can download them for free. Oh, 30 days of gameplay and unlock the anniversary mounts. It's funny that you could buy them before you could do it. No, I'm not going to. I'm gonna hide those away so you can't see them on stream. I know you. Don't worry, my cameras aren't good enough to blow them up that big. Alright, buddy. Get your fucking nose out of it. That's actually quite a bit of swag. It's so swaggy. Buddy, I'm gonna need you to move the fuck away. Like, seriously. Oh, I didn't look at the prints. Look at that. I did? Oh, shit. I think it was like the one person. It's you, dude. I was at like 5,999. Congratulations, Bones, I think. Oh, actually badass prints, dude. Got some WAGNAWOS. We got probably kill Jaden. I should do him up here. Oh, what's up, Demon? Got the Lich King. What's up, Demon? How you doing? Death Wang. Alright, alright. Ho Chi Minh. Death Wang over here. Look at that, I got a camera just for my Death Wang. Oh, dude, look at them shoulders, bro. Look at those shoulders. It's so tusky, dude. It's so tusky. Oh, this one's fucking dank, dude. This is dank. Illa dank. Yeah, if only it was a good expansion. Right. Imagine all that could have been on this one, though. All that could have been. WAGNAWOS. Alright. Here comes the good one. Dude, I'm so excited for this. There's a reason I picked this camera angle, by the way. You haven't opened it? You got yours today? Yeah, it's spoiler alerts, dude. Oh, dude. I'm keeping this box forever. Let's see, is there anything? This is not a toy. There's no like stamp. Is there like this is number X of how many? Oh, you have to fucking assemble it? What the hell? It's got assembly instructions. I wasn't expecting that. I gotta put his hands on. Lego stream. Oh, dude, this is packaged like a Department 56 collectible. Good thing I got my handy dandy knife. Can I have a knife on stream? It's a utility knife. It's okay. As long as I don't cut myself. It's a collector's edition, and I'm a World of Warcraft collector. All the things, by the way. Except the store things. Except this store thing. Did I get all of it? Nope. Okay. I'm all the way around now. IRL ATT. Dude. You can't see it. The styrofoam. Look at that. 50. W15. Look out, buddy. Well, my first impression of it, it smells like ass. Dude. Look at this guy. Oh. Alright, how do I don't have enough tabletop space. Alright, I gotta put that in front of me here. Look out, buddy. I have his left hand right here. He stole bread, this wise. Yes. Imagine if I put it on upside down so he's like, nah! Probably should have. That'd be awesome. Stay away from the plastic, buddy. That is not a toy. It's not a toy, buddy. Dude. My first classic legendary right here. So it has like a kind of a key to it. So you put it on the right way. There it is. That's on. He's got his weapon. He's weaponized. There's 2 more pieces. It's a snack, buddy. Eat it. No! Out! Alright. That was not animal abuse. I love my buddy. I love my buddy. Alright, now I gotta put his wings in somehow. His wangs. So like that. Just jam it in there. So it's kind of like a rubbery kind of material. Calling for, oh no! Literally a linen. Oh god. Stop it. Stop it or else I'll play an ad, which I can do now. Here he is, dude. Here he is, boys. WAGNAWOS. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Is there anything on the bottom? Yep, it's got a number. PM 2199. That's mine. Dude, I can hide drugs in here and shit. Hey. Stop it. Put this shit away before Buddy starts eating it. That's something not to say on Twitch? Who gives a shit? Well, people are gonna know which one I have. Alright. You boys ready? Oh, can't let them find my stash. I thought you were talking about the fact that I read out the number of the unit I have. Yeah, he is. Who gives a shit, dude? Like, what could possibly happen to me? Are they gonna say they sent me the wrong one and take it back? Look at that badass back there. Oh, man. Hey, buddy. Already knocking shit over. So, I'm going to see Joker tonight. And it's going to be awesome. Probably. I could turn that off now. I'm pretty excited to watch that. But I do have to leave soon. I just want to do my unboxing on stream so I could share it with at least somebody. 3 viewers? What the? I am. Dude, it's okay. I'm going with someone that's over 17, so they're my guardian. So if there's any, like, really bad parts, they've already seen it. They'll do this for me. Buddy! You're such a buddy. You're so cute. You're lucky you're cute. It's not safe for children? Neither are you. Leave it. Okay? He's such a good boy. I felt so bad. I got him this collar that has this like big buckle, and it's been like rubbing his neck, and now he's got like a big scab right here. I felt so bad. Like a bad daddy. Poor little fella. I should have bought one for Buddy too. He could have his own WAGNAWOS. I let him down. I'm sorry, buddy. So you got yours, Demon, huh? You should stream when you open it. Hey! Leave it! Boop. Oh no, I booped him in the snoot. Literally shaking and crying. Why would you do this? I don't know. I can't control myself. I really can't. He just makes me so angry, you know? So angry. I came home today. There was 4 pizza boxes all over the living room floor. I had them on my stove, like stacked up. He pulled all of them down, just tore everything apart. So I put him in the cage and I took a shower. He was like, I want to get out. Like, maybe you shouldn't have eaten the pizza boxes, bitch. His face. Oh my god, his face. His face is so cute. Look at his face. Oh, oh, look at his little face. His little face. Look at you. Oh, good boy. Yeah. You get 5 and you earn a prize? What, jail time? Oh! I called it. After you said it. I called it after the fact. Aw, little buddy boy. I gotta fix this. It's really fun. I heard federal jail time is like, it's like a country club, dude. That's what I heard. I don't know. I'm no jailologist. I always drop the soap. Soap is meant to be dropped. Like, that's what soap is for, you know? A sign of gratitude and appreciation. Truth. Truth. Dude, this camera blows, man. It's like, it's horrible. Like, there's no getting this camera good. Holy shit. That's okay, I guess. It's not good, but... He's my buddy. Where is he? There he is. Hi, buddy. Okay. Well, I gotta get ready to go. Movie's gonna start in a little bit. Alright. Well, hey, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. And watching me just get a 4K. Nobody wants to see that level of accuracy in a camera with anything to do with anything here. You're gonna see the nasty ass carpet that I've never vacuumed, and my face. No one wants to see that. Come on now. Ain't nobody want to see that. Have a bad time watching it because it's inappropriate. Imagine watching an inappropriate movie. I'm gonna call my mom, actually, just to make sure. I'll see what she says. I get nervous. All right. Well, anyway, here, have a. Oh man. Fire ad right there. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Bones. See, it's making me money, dude. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Let's see. Maybe I'll rate a channel. What does that button do? There, we'll rate this guy. Want to buy money, baby. Hey, thanks anyway. Bye.